Hello everyone, I'm Isan. Welcome to the Info Photography channel. Some time ago, I tried using this iPhone 17 on a trip to Hong Kong, and I wanted to test whether this iPhone 17 is really as versatile as most people say. Is this iPhone good for photos, and is its video quality also good? Can this phone compete with mirrorless cameras like Sony, Fujifilm, Lumix, or others? Okay, now let's talk about this iPhone 17. The phone I'm using is the base model. It's the simplest one, but the main camera is already good. 48MP with a 26mm f1.6 lens. The camera also already has image stabilization. The ultra-wide lens has also been upgraded to 48MP with a 14mm lens. Much sharper and more detailed than before. Because this isn't the Pro version, there's no telephoto module. But if you need to take photos from farther away, you can crop or use 2x zoom and it still looks good. But there will definitely be a difference in photo quality if you use a series with a telephoto lens, like the Pro or Pro Max. The front or selfie camera has also been improved. The resolution is only 18MP, but the sensor is square-shaped. So for vlogging or taking selfies, you don't need to rotate the camera around. For the video, it's said that the iPhone is really cool because it looks natural, and many people say the videos are cinematic. Later, you guys can watch the footage I took and see what the quality is like. What made me curious about this iPhone 17 is that many people say the quality is good, and when I tried it for the first time, I felt it was very easy and comfortable. The size is compact and light, much smaller than a camera system, because it's always carried by hand or sometimes put in a pocket or a small bag that's easy to access. If there's an interesting moment, we can shoot it right away. On the other hand, if we use a mirrorless camera, especially if we use a prime lens, when there's a moment we want to capture, we have to turn on the camera first. And if the lens isn't right, we have to change the lens first. The photos and videos on this iPhone, the exposure looks just right, it seems. The AI automatically balances the dark and bright areas, so it looks good right away on the screen. The battery is also quite large, so it's not a problem for daily use. You guys probably know that I often take behind the scenes or BTS shots for info photography videos, or sometimes to post stories. So this iPhone 17 turns out to be very practical. The photos and videos look nice compared to those from other phones. The colors look natural and cinematic. It's not too bright, so it's comfortable to watch. When I tried this iPhone, it turned out to be very straightforward and really comfortable to use. It's very easy to use, and I haven't adjusted any special settings or processed the tones and colors. The camera does everything automatically. As for the filters, they're in the style section, and my favorites are the ethereal mode and stark black and white. Photo quality is probably the most important thing for the info photography audience. In general, the photos from this iPhone 17 have natural tones and colors. They're not too exaggerated, you could say they're authentic. But if we zoom in on a computer screen or enlarge it, the details aren't as good as when using a camera system. Then someone asked, can the photo quality match that of a digital mirrorless camera? Of course not. Especially when it comes to details in low light conditions. But if you compare it to other phones, the results are definitely just as good. The main difference compared to other phones in the same price range, around 15 to 20 million, is usually the colors are sharper and brighter. Apple's OS design is definitely unique, different from phones made in China. The design feels premium and original, and the screen and graphics design are pleasant to look at. But it also has its drawbacks, especially with this iPhone 17 base model. One of them is that it doesn't have a telephoto lens, so if the subject is far away, the quality isn't optimal. Besides that, if we want to create a very blurry background for photos and videos, it seems like we still need a camera with a fast prime lens. Can this iPhone 17 be relied on as a main camera when traveling and for daily use? Well, for shooting daily content like snapshots or travel photos, this iPhone 17 is more than enough, especially for those who don't like the hassle of carrying a big camera and lens. The quality is reliable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next review. Bye bye.